Bring up, meaning to mention or raise a topic. She brought up an interesting question. Don't bring up old problems again. Cut off, meaning to stop supply or disconnect. The electricity was cut off due to non-payment. He was cut off in the middle of the call. Point out, meaning to show or indicate. She pointed out my mistake. The guide pointed out the famous building. Go on, meaning to continue or happen. Please go on. I'm listening. What's going on outside? Deal with, meaning to handle or manage. I can deal with this problem myself. Teachers must deal with many students daily. Take care of, meaning to look after. He takes care of his pets. Please take care of yourself. Drop by, meaning to visit for a short time. She will drop by my home later. I dropped by his house yesterday. Keep up, meaning to maintain or continue at same level. He studies hard to keep up with his class. Please keep up the hard work if you want success.